Good day, everyone. Welcome to our demonstration of a vital tool in modern medical technology, the Health Information Database. Our featured system today is the CoreMed Diagnostics and Laboratory. It's a Microsoft Access database built to manage and streamline laboratory-related data, from patient information to lab test results. Let's explore how this system works, how it improves healthcare data handling, and how it reflects the essential role of databases in medical field.
What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data that is stored electronically and managed through computer systems. It enables efficient storage, retrieval, and updating of information, whether it's patient details, test results, staff records, or appointments. You can think of it as a digital filing cabinet, but one that is searchable, scalable, and far more powerful.
The main purpose of a healthcare database is to keep medical data organized, accurate, and accessible. In a fast-paced environment where timing and precision can save lives, databases ensure that critical information reaches the right healthcare professionals at the right time. This supports accurate diagnosis, safe treatment plans, and efficient coordination among medical teams, ultimately improving patient care.
Databases play a central role in modern medical technology. Some common applications include electronic health records, which store patient histories, allergies, and prescriptions. The next one is laboratory information systems, which manage test orders, samples, and results. And then radiology and imaging archives, which organize scans and diagnostic images. Also, pharmacy systems, which monitor prescriptions and drug interactions. And lastly, public health databases, which detect patterns in outbreaks or disease trends. These systems make healthcare smarter, faster, and more data-driven.
Now, let's explore our practical implementation of these ideas in the CoreMed Diagnostics and Laboratory. Upon launching the system, we are welcomed by a clean main menu serving as the central navigation panel. It contains the following modules: patient information, appointment information, test information, laboratory result information, healthcare staff information, and patient laboratory reports. This dashboard design keeps everything accessible and user-friendly.
The patient information form is where we store key personal details, the first and last name, date of birth, age, gender, contact number, address, and a photo placeholder for patient identification. The database contains 10 sample patient records from various cities for demonstration purposes. Moreover, functional buttons on this form include an add record to enter a new patient, a delete record to remove a selected patient, a save record to save any edits made, a find record to search for a patient by name or ID, and an open report to generate and view the patient laboratory report. These controls make it easy to manage records without manual file handling.
Let us move on to appointment information form. This form logs test appointments, including the patient's appointment, the appointment date and time, the test ID, the purpose of the test, and the status, whether it's scheduled complete or cancelled. Add record is to schedule a new test, delete record is to remove a booking, save record is to save changes, and find record to search for a patient's appointments. This keeps testing operations organized and prevents missed or duplicates appointments. In the test information form, each lab test is described in detail. This includes the test ID and the patient ID, the test name, and the category, whether it's chemistry or serology, the sample type, whether it's blood, urine, or stool, the fee, and the preparation instructions, which is fasting and first morning routine. The functionality includes add record is to input a new lab test, delete record is to remove outdated or unused test, save record is to store updates, and find record to locate a specific test or category. This ensures consistency in how lab tests are categorized and performed.
The test results form stores individual test outcomes and includes result ID, patient ID, and test ID. The assigned staff, test result value, result date, remarks for medical interpretation. This linkage provides a clear trail from the patient to the result to the staff responsible. The form controls include add record to record new test results, delete record to remove incorrect entries, save record to finalize changes, and find record to locate specific patient results. This form enables quick access to diagnostic outcomes for both clinical staff and patients. Every result is tied to a medical professional. The healthcare staff form contains first name, last name, position, specialization, contact number, shift schedule, and a placeholder for technician photo. This module ensures accountability and organization within the healthcare team. The buttons available are add record to register new staff, delete record to remove departed or duplicate records, save record to confirm updates, and find record to search staff by name or role. This ensures clarity in roles and responsibilities during lab operations.
One of the most powerful and practical components of the CoreMed Diagnostics and Laboratory is the Patient Laboratory Report feature. This report serves as a comprehensive summary of a patient's interactions with the laboratory, consolidating critical data from multiple tables into a single organized document. But first, to generate a report for a specific patient, you must enter and select their unique patient ID in the patient information form. This ID acts as a key to retrieve all associated records from the database. Once the correct patient ID is entered, you can simply click the Open Report button. This triggers a report generation process that dynamically pulls in data from multiple related tables, including appointments, tests, test results, and staff.
Contains the following essential details. Patient information. This includes the patient ID, full name, age, gender, contact number, and address. This section serves to verify and identify the patient. Test appointment details. This displays a history of test appointments including the purpose of each visit, date and time, and the appointment status. Test information. Lists the lab test the patient underwent, showing test names, sample types, required preparation, and the test fees if applicable. Test results. This displays the actual result values, result dates, and the remarks provided by the laboratory. This helps understanding whether the result was normal, borderline, or abnormal. Assigned laboratory technician. This identifies the lab professional who conducted the test, including their name, position, and the specialization. This promotes accountability and traceability.
laboratory settings, having a well-organized report like this means better coordination among healthcare providers, clear communication with patients, quick access to historical medical data, and improved clinical decision-making. For the interface, we used calm, professional color tones, clear fonts like Sego, Verdana, and Calibri, consistent layout across all forms, and well-labeled navigation buttons for easy access. This ensures a user-friendly and efficient system for healthcare staff.
To conclude, the CoreMed Diagnostics and Laboratory System is a prime example of how databases empower medical technology.
It organizes complex medical data into structured, accessible forms, aiding diagnosis, improving communication, and ultimately enhancing patient care.
In a world where healthcare depends on precision and speed, a well-built database is not just useful, it's essential.